this is what the stock ones look like at night. Not very bright. Here's the backup cam. Can't really see that much. So this is how you replace the backup lights on the 2017 Passat. First off, you gotta pop this little red clip down, and then that should pop right off. And then this little nut, you're gonna have to loosen. Take that right off. And then this whole assembly should just come right out. Alright, so you might have to fight with it a little bit, but once it's out, you basically push this tab in and pop this up. And then there's two tabs there and there that you have to pop up as well. And then this whole thing will come up. Now you have access to your bulbs. Alright, so once you get your bulb switched, it is the one on the left. We'll go ahead and put this guy right back in. And you gotta wiggle it. That lip has to get under there. So you might have to wiggle it on there a bit. Alright, so I do just want to make note of something. These little clips on the side have to go underneath the metal on the trunk. Otherwise you'll be fighting with it for 10 minutes like I just was. And then this piece, if it came off, it just clips right back in there. Just push up on it, solid click, good to go. And then the last thing to do is just plug your connector back in, make sure it clicks, and then push that little red tab in and replace your little cover. Just snaps right back in. And I will do the other side, and I will show you guys what it looks like when it gets dark. So this is the result. Much brighter. Nice and crisp white. And I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. That's the backup cam. Much brighter.